As one of the largest electric utilities in the United States and one of the largest coal-burning utilities in the United States, we have been involved in environmental issues for decades. And our relationship with ICCR has been a great opportunity for us to understand all aspects of the impacts that our business has socially, economically, and environmentally. And ICCR has been an incredibly valuable partner because they understand from a different perspective, they help us understand, they try to work with us, and it really just makes us a better company because we're able to see all sides of an issue. And so our relationship with ICCR has been incredibly positive. And as we move along the sustainability pathway, which is a journey, not necessarily a destination, their input to us is welcome, and we have great relationships with Sister Barbara Ayers and Sister Pat Daly, and it has just been an incredibly valuable experience for us over the years.